from the mayor because
Kasi si Mayor andito para kung may magsinungaling, pwede kong i-request si Mayor mismo para magsalita rito. Kasi PD, kasi biglaan kasi ang paglipat ng COP eh.
yes, Your Honor.
Bakit pinalitan ng COP doon?
Because of the exigency of service, Your Honor.
Ayun naman ang common reason talaga sa lahat ng document. COP, meron bang nag-request sa'yo papuntang Maluso? Yung totoo lang COP
Wala po, Your Honor.
Walang tumawag sa'yo na ikaw ang dapat i-assign doon?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Pag sinabi kong meron kang pinagsabihan at sinong ang nag-request sa'yo, pasinungalingan mo? At meron kang pinagsabihan? Huwag mo kong pilitin, banggitin kong pinagsabihan mo, kailan lang?
Oh, reminder, COP.
Hindi,
You're under oath. Sige,
alam mo,
answer please.
Huwag
Answer.
kang magsinungaling dito kasi mahirap eh.
Please answer. Sabi mo na yung totoo para at least hindi tayo nahihirapan
Maipit kayo
dito.
rito. At kasi pilitin nyo ako, papatawag ko yung nagsabi sa akin at kayo mismo ang nagsabi sa kanila.
Please reply, COP. Sino nag-request sa'yo? Sino nag-request sa'yo?
Iho.
I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Sa haba-haba ng pag-iisip mo eh. 2023 lang yan COP, 2023 lang pinag-uusapan natin Sige, Congressman Ataman.
Problema kasi paiba-iba ang sagot. Mismo si PD, paiba-iba na ang sagot. PD, wag mo kong pilitin magsabi ng totoo Sabihin mo na lang kung anong rason. Bakit hindi nyo in-inform yung mayor na nagpalit kayo ng ano?
Your Honor, ang totoo po, tinatawagan ko po noon ang mayor, pero out of coverage po yung kanyang cellphone.
So hindi mo pwedeng tawagan ulit bago mo gawin yung action mo? Di ba? Kasi yun yung batas. O meron din nag-utos sa'yo?
Wala pong nag-utos sa...
Bakit ka nagmamadali?
Wala pong nag-utos sa... Honorable...
Hindi, kung walang nag-utos sa'yo, hindi mo makontak si Mayor, reason mo yun para labagin ng batas? Pulis ka?
No, Your Honor, but kinakailangan ko na kasing i-rotate yung ating...
Ano ba naman yung 1 day, 2 days? Na courtesy lang man sa Mayor? Di ba?
Saka I believe, Congressman Ataman, yung out of coverage is a lame excuse, no? Parang, don't you have any other way out to contact the mayor and to have that courtesy, no? To tell her the papalitan yung COP? Yeah, oo. Hindi, saan yun sa point?
Hindi, yun yung gusto kong itanong kay PD. Kung ano yung process ng paglalagay ng mga COP. At bakit kung hindi out of coverage ang mayor ng 1 o'clock, tawagan niya ng 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or the next day. Mga lousy na reason, sayang provincial director ka. Mahirap kasi PD kung nagpapagamit
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Akop.
I will
Before we wrap up.
veer to the line of questioning of the Honorable Hataman.
Yes, go ahead.
PD, under the law, the choice of the chief of police is vested in the mayor, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit hindi mo sinunod yung batas?
Because I don't have enough officer na ibibigay na pagpipilian ng ating mayor, Your Honor.
Bakit? Ilang opisyal ba ang under mo?
Your Honor, during the election, I have only 34 officers out of 74 that should be assigned in Basilan.
Sabi mo
Your
kanina,
Honor.
PD, to cut you, nagmamadali ka na i-rotate mo yung mga officers mo. Tapos ngayon sasabihin mo sa akin, kulang ang opisyal mo. Nanggaling ako sa PNP and I have occupied higher positions than you have had. You know. Kaya wag mo akong paglaruan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Are you the one who's supposed to give 3 names? From where did the 5 names come from for chiefs of police? Matanong nga kita. Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na 5 supposed to be?
In the provincial office, Your Honor.
Ikaw ang pumipili, hindi yung RD?
I am the provincial director, Your Honor, because it is under the municipal level na yun, sir.
Alam ko yun, pero hindi nanggagaling sa iyo yung pangalan. Nanggagaling sa opisina ng RD. yung 5 pangalan na ibibigay mo sa mayor because the law requires for chiefs of police that the PNP is supposed to submit to the mayor 5 names from where the mayor will choose his chief of police. That is the law. Alam mo ba yun?
Your Honor, what I know is...
Hindi, ang tinatanong ko lang, alam mo ba yun? Yes or no? You have reached the track, hindi mo alam yung batas mo?
Your Honor, I have different understanding on that, Your Honor.
You have different understanding.
Anong understanding niya?
Ano yung understanding mo, iyo?
Dahil kung yung sa municipal police station, sir, yung mga chief of police, ang mga i-recommend for chief of police ay manggagaling po sa provincial director.
Pero nag-submit ka ba ng 5 pangalan sa mayor pursuant to the requirements of law? Yun lang yung tinatanong ko eh.
As I have said...
Did you follow the law? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. It is of record. And you are under oath, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I can charge you for doing such, for not following the law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Iyo. Now, noong hindi mo sinunod, bakit hindi mo sinunod yung batas? Eh, alam mo pala. What force you to violate the provision of law?
The lack of officers
Hey,
to be...
sabi mo lang kanina, kailangan mong i-rotate yung mga officers mo eh. And therefore, there are officers na i-rotate mo.
Yes, Your Honor, I have officers to be rotated and it's not enough na magbigay ako ng 3 options sa mayor, Your Honor.
PD, I'll make a report of this to the Chief of the Philippine National Police. And bahala na ang Philippine National Police how they will deal with you criminally and administratively. Alalahanin mo, iho, ako po ay naging Inspector General ng PCINP at naging Chief ng CIDG. Kaya alam ko lang at lahat ng batas na mababiolate mo. Ano, iho? According to your statement, you knowingly violated the law. Inamin mo nga na binayolate mo yung batas. Under oath. Diba? You have other reasons. You should have compelling reasons to tell us why you did not follow the requirements of the law. Tama? Kasi for a PNP officer of that rank, full colonel at that, ma-violate mo intentionally yung batas, and that is something, iho, with your rank and stature. Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko sa'yo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi nagmamatigas ka pa eh. Pero susubukan ko yung tigas mo, palalambutin ko. And it may cost you your service. Now, Andy, pakiclarify nyo nga po sa akin, yung kayo po ang nagbanggit yung Section 560
Yes, sir.
of 10294.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Diba? Ang title nun is Election-Related Incidents and Catastrophe. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. The following shall be observed in case of election-related violent incidents, acts of God, and other emergencies. So, this limits the application of 560.
Definitely, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, paragraph A, there is sabotage, explosion, equipment, robbery, and other similar circumstances. These
Yes.
are the only situations wherein you can transfer the polling center.
Yes,
Would that
Your
be
Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor, but with similar circumstances, Your
You
Honor.
know, and other
Similar.
similar circumstances. Could you cite to me what circumstances are similar to sabotage?
I believe that killings would be a similar circumstance. But, Your Honor, please, if I may proceed, this is the first time that it was included in our...
Yeah, I'm just asking you,
This
kasi
particular
kayo po
provision, Your
kayo po
Honor.
dapat ang nakakalam ng meaning at saka intent or spirit of the law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, di po ba? Kaya nga nagtatanong ako eh. Sabi ko nga for clarification eh. Kasi
Yes, Your
hindi ko
Honor.
rin maintindihan eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, what would be similar to explosion?
Maybe bombs found, although did not explode, but the effect would be the same, Your Honor. It would
Okay.
cause fear to everyone.
Yung equipment robbery, it's very specific. Equipment robbery. This equipment would refer to election paraphernalia.
Definitely, Your Honor.
Yeah. Now, nakalagay sa Section 560, Paragraph A, so Paragraph 1. Nakalagay, if required to leave the precinct. What does that mean?
Actually, as I have said, pointed out a while ago, I want to point it out, Your Honor, that this is the first time that it was included in this COMELEC resolution. In fact, included even on the general instructions. Kaya we don't have any particular examples in the past. This is the first time, actually.
So in other words,
It's only, the Commission in Bank only is the only authorized. But because of this inclusion, we were actually surprised on this, Your Honor.
well,
This is actually a sort of a vagueness on this particular provision. If required to leave the precinct, who will require them
yes,
to?
that's my question.
Maybe if you're going to analyze it, if the circumstances would require for them to leave the precinct just to preserve their safety, that would be the instance, Your Honor. But as I've said, no exact
That's why I
definition.
premised my question on would this be the circumstances that would shall we say, necessitate the transfer of the polling center. Di ba sabi niyo, opo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
So, in other words, if we read the 560, paragraph A, subparagraph 1, if required to leave the precinct, in other words, it refers to the circumstances.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor, but